if you say, when you sneeze.
Yes.
Some people, in fact, a lot of people actually say the word achoo.
Right,
When they sneeze.
Kathy, you do.
Do you do that, Kathy?
Sometimes you do.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Deaf people do not say achoo.
Oh.
They don't say it. We are naturally not supposed to say achoo. Somehow or another, we have been trained as English speakers to do that because other languages sneeze differently as
it's
well.
different?
No, stop
Yes, they
it.
do.
Let me ask you something on that deaf people thing. Do they make a sound often?
Yeah, they do. They make
just
whatever
say,
the natural whatever the natural sound is.
I'm deaf.
That comes out.
I'm deaf.
God bless you.
I'm deaf.
Gesundheit.
He went on to say that French speakers say achum.
Really?
When they sneeze, and Japanese speakers say hakashun. Yeah. Bless you.
Oh, my God.
God bless you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I'm so sorry.
They say, Japanese say, where was that? Hakashun. Yeah. Hakashun. That's too much. That's 3 syllables.
That's worse than us.
I only get 2 out of my sneezes. It's a,